This is what most people who want a turntabless mixer to be. It's like small and not in a way so they can move between the decks really nicely. It's not cluttered. Really logically laid out. Everything's in the way you want it to be. In my experience of, especially using a mixer for the first time, you spend half the time looking for features, whereas this is, logical, clearly laid out, and you know where you're looking. Those filters are insane, like really, really good. The Alan Heath thing has always had like the pedigree around, like the filter's always been a thing for years and years that I was always really aware of, especially with kicks. Good fun, really, and the EQ's super crisp, and the cuts on it are really, especially the way I play, I like to really work like the low end and the high ends and chop things in and out with the EQ, so it's really precise and very like surgical. It's cool. The low pass filter is that classic, sweep it down, make it really kind of submerged and build it back up again. The high pass is just always, when you're playing, you want to take the energy out of the track and just drop the bass out for a second, and then before bring it back in, that's when the filters come into their own. That's like, my kind of territory. Do that all day long. I'm very happy when I'm doing that. It's not just kind of one thing. I can plug other bits into it, make it suit whatever setup I want to take down with me. So if I'm thinking like, I feel like taking my drum machine tonight, play some effects off something there, I could easily do that. It's just, it caters for all the different possibilities, really. Well, I would definitely have at least one deck, but I've got a couple of synths and a drum machine as well. That was definitely like a thing I'd like to try out. The whole idea of having like a live synth coming in and just drums which I can sync up with my vinyl and stuff. It'd be a nice little, nice little workout for me, I think. Again, because it's so simple, you can see, right, this is where my decks are, and then I've got this extra channel here to feed additional bits and plugging in, and it just makes sense. It all comes up, works straight out of the box.